I put my first game on itch.io. Come here and purchase my game and make me rich. Do it. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Alright guys, you can see that I'm using a new theme in Construct 3. This is an awesome theme and I like it very much. It's created by Mitsu and you can purchase the theme from his page on itch.io and the link is in the description. Okay, so I created this HTML5 game, rings game, and you need to make a row or column of same colors rings and make highest score. Okay, so this is the gameplay and I want to put this game on itch.io and sell its source code and make money from it. Okay, so let's get started. Go to itch.io. Okay, if you're not registered, do it right now. And I'm gonna log in. I have an account in here, so let's log in and create our first game. Okay, create a new project. Title is gonna be rings game. URL is okay. Short description or tagline. This is a puzzle rings game that you make highest scores. Okay, and classification, it's a game kind of project. It's HTML5. Release status is a prototype actually, and this is not a complete game, just a template that works and needs to have UI, graphic elements, and other stuff to make a real game. Okay, so this is just a mechanic of the game, so we need to make it prototype and we need to put as paid. I need to sell it. Okay, so the minimum price needs to be $5 and suggested price needs to be $10. Okay, I like this area suggested price that suggests people to purchase the item by this price. Okay, so here we need to upload our HTML5 game files. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. So I don't have the exported files, so I need to go in here, menu, project, and export HTML5, and yeah, just like this I have the project. So I need to export. No, I have it in here. Why do I export it? Okay, so let's go in here, downloads, rings game, yeah, and upload it. Okay, so it's executable for none of this. This file is a demo and can be downloaded for free. No, this file is a free. No, this file will be played in the browser. Okay, and I want to click to launch the game, and it's mobile friendly. Portrait, nope. Details, I'm gonna use this short details, and maybe I will add some sentences here. And genre is puzzle, tags is construct 3 game, enter, rings game, color it, rings game, and 2D game, just like this. I will add more later. And none of this, I don't have these. And custom noun, leave blank to default to game. Okay, I will leave it blank. And comments are available. Visibility is draft for now. I'm gonna save, but before saving I need to actually have a cover in this size I already created and designed. Okay, I have it right now. And also you can go in here, add a YouTube gameplay video in here, just the link of the gameplay, and screenshots, you can add it. I don't have these, but you can add this to your item page. And yeah, just like this, save and view page. Okay, welcome to your game page, blah blah blah. Got it. I have this game. When I click on run game, you can see that the game runs in here. My internet is very poor. Okay, all right, I have the game in here. Let's get back. And I just forgot to add something, so let's go to edit game. I need to actually upload the source file. This is the source file that people will purchase. So none of this, and save, view page. Okay, this is my file. You need to pay $5 or more to get the source file. Link is in the description. Please support this item. I'm gonna make the page better for you guys. And yeah, let's just test this. You can purchase $10 or more. Actually, the minimum price is $5, but you can purchase it for $10. Do it, please. And thanks for watching the video. Have fun.